The Direct Fit Gimbal Downlight series is a new twist on wall wash and accent lighting. The ultra-slim design is perfect for shallow plenum spaces in both new construction and remodel downlighting applications. This CCT selectable downlight allows users to choose between 5 different color temperatures, including 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 3500 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, and 5000 Kelvin, using the switch found on the driver compartment. This fixture comes in 3-inch and 4-inch sizes, both with a 90+ CRI. It's triac dimmable down to 10% and provides uniform diffused light. This downlight's dome-shaped light eliminates the ceiling gap associated with other adjustable light fixtures, preventing light leak into the ceiling plenum while still rotating 360 degrees and tilting up to 90 degrees. The Direct Fit Gimbal Downlight features a robust die-cast aluminum construction and a low-profile remote driver enclosure ideal for shallow plenum applications. The driver compartment is connected to the LED module by a 12-inch cable. This product is available in 8-watt and 12-watt options, with lumen outputs ranging from 500 to 1000, depending on wattage and color temperature settings. It installs directly into the ceiling, eliminating the need for a can or housing. This downlight comes pre-attached to an IC-rated steel junction box with 2 3/4-inch knockouts. Its spring-loaded universal mounting clips ensure a secure fit into the ceiling with ease. Accessories for the Direct Fit Gimbal Downlight include a 12-inch extension cable, a standard rough-in pan, and our new construction adjustable pan. The Direct Fit Gimbal Downlight is wet location listed, IC rated, and ENERGY STAR certified. It's also California Title 24, JA8, and Title 20 compliant. The Direct Fit Gimbal Downlight is an excellent choice for both new construction and remodel applications due to its uniquely adjustable features and ease of installation.